I've been waiting for this day all my life. I knew you were going to be my happily ever after. And I keep looking back trying to figure out how I became so lucky. Together there is no fear to what tomorrow may bring. I know we can always look to the horizon with no doubt in my mind that the sun will always rise and shine equally on our joy and sorrows. With our anchor raised, setting sail into the waves of uncertainty, nothing can stop our beating hearts. When I look to the vast infinite sky that we both share, I realize just how far we both have come, both of us carrying our vows within our hearts. With all that said, I want you to know I cannot wait to see how beautiful you look today. And I cannot wait to tell you how beautiful you are every day for the rest of our lives. You're my better half, my soulmate, my best friend. I look forward to telling the world just how much I love you. P.S. Come find me at the beach. I'll be the guy with the big dumb smile at the end of the aisle.
I, Nik, take you, Melissa, as you are, loving who you are now and who you have yet to become. I promise to support your dreams as if I dreamt them. I promise to show you my commitment through simple acts and kind words each and every day. Though it's only in this moment that I declare my vows aloud, I promise to always take them with me for the rest of our days.
Nik, you're the absolute love of my life. You continuously make me laugh, and most importantly, you make me impossibly happy. I have cherished every moment with you and look forward to all the memories we will make as husband and wife. There are no words for how much I love you, and I can't believe how lucky I am to be standing here with you in this moment. You have my endless love.
Nik, I have never seen my sister so in love and so happy. You treat Melissa like the queen she is, and I just want you to remember to say those 3 special words every day. You are right. Separately, you two are remarkable people, but together you are complete.
complete me in so many ways, and I get the biggest smile on my face when I think of our future together. I have never been so happy and so sure of anything or anyone in my entire life. I can't wait to spend forever with you, even though that's not long enough. I look into your eyes and feel throughout my entire body how much we're meant to be. I can't wait for all of our adventures together.